Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make the easiest, the most effective, follow CDC guidelines hand sanitizer. Doesn't leave your hands dry, plus it smells so yummy. Let's get started. These are all the things that you are going to need. You're gonna, of course, need alcohol. Now, this is 91%. You are gonna need at least 60%. Now, of course, the alcohol, that's what is going to disinfect everything, kill all of the germs. You are also gonna need some aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is not drying like alcohol. That's why we add it to the mix. It creates that gel feel when you put it on, which is perfect for a hand sanitizer. It also has other properties. It's antibacterial, it improves the skin. I mean, there's so many other things that are added on. Of course, you need an empty bottle. Now, yes, I gotta say, this is a pretty big bottle for a hand sanitizer. You could also use a little travel size, but this works perfect because I don't run out so quickly. Now, this is optional, but you could also add some essential oils. I've got lemon thieves, or I have this stress away. I'm probably gonna use thieves. This has so many awesome antibacterial properties as well. Plus, I love the way that it smells. All right, let's get started. All right, you're gonna start with your empty bottle. So we're gonna do 1 part aloe vera gel. So I'm just gonna squeeze that in there. So that looks like it's 1 part. Now we're gonna add 2 parts alcohol. I'm using the strong stuff. Up next, like I said, it is optional to add essential oils. You could just do the alcohol, the aloe vera, shake it up, and there you have it. I'm gonna add about 15 drops of this. Yum, that smells so good. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and close that up very tightly and start shaking. All right, you guys, so I did shake this for a couple of minutes. You need everything to combine together to create this gel-like sanitizer. Now again, alcohol is what kills everything. Aloe vera gel is the moisturizer here. Ooh. And Thieves adds the yummy smell, and it has antimicrobial properties. And this is what we have come up with. All right, let's go ahead and test it out. So if we just used plain alcohol, it would be way too liquidy. So this is a perfect consistency. So I'm gonna go ahead and rub it between my hands. Okay, definitely I can feel the aloe vera gel. The alcohol definitely is working. I mean, it does have a very strong alcohol smell to it, but I can smell the thieves in there too. Oh, it smells so yummy.